Hi, I'm Kate and I create ball joint dolls from clay and cast them in resin. Right now I'm revisiting and redesigning the doll I casted in 2022. In this video I'll be working on the doll's body. I've decided to try a new neck construction, which is something I've never done before. It should add more elegance to the doll's posing abilities. I usually mark the guidelines directly on the doll's body. It helps to check the symmetry, and this time I also made additional marks for the neck and collarbones. I want to try the double joint neck, so I will need to use my drill to make adjustments for the doll's body. I will not need the top part of the neck because I want to make it thinner and I already prepared the smaller ball. So after removing the neck, I work on reduced ball sockets both on the body and on the head. I have prepared only one ball for the neck, so I will need to cut it in half. It's not very safe method and I use the protect glasses to do it. After putting the neck together using a piece of clay, I check the length and wait for the part to dry. I hope you also noticed that with the jointed neck, the doll head moves differently. It's more dynamic now. She can lift her head higher and also tilt it and take the poses like these ones. So here you can see I've put the first layer of the primer on the body. I was very curious about the neck joint, so I assembled the doll, also to make some checks on the symmetry and other joints. As I said, the head has very good mobility with this joint. The doll can tilt her head in different directions and also lay the head on the hands, and I like this silhouette very much now. Side note, I guess you noticed that I started to change the mold that I didn't plan on doing. For now it's only lips, but in my future videos I will show you some bigger changes because I've changed the size of the eyes. So I don't usually work on one part of the body for a long time, because as for me I start to lose my focus and don't see the flaws in the symmetry and proportions anymore. That's why I usually switch between different parts, like here for example I make the edits to the bottom of the body. I've noticed that the left part is not curly enough and the right part. I can notice such things only after little breaks I make while working on the doll. I started to assemble the doll more often because now when I've done the main changes in proportions, the doll starts to look as what I imagine it to be. Also, it's because the main work that I will do in the future is about refining this result, adding details, making the joints fit better, and checking the symmetry. The doll does have a very good mobility though. It can only be accomplished by making this much of the joints. Here is the comparison with the first iteration of this doll that was casted in resin. So, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the doll making, please write them down in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye!